Hey everybody, it's your man Sarge, back with another one. Sorry it's been a few days or a week since I posted something, but I've been busy with reorganizing my room. So if you're ready for this, stay tuned. It's a short video, but necessary. All right, so I'll see you guys in a few. Peace out. Here's the mess that I started out with. My God, there was a lot of junk to haul. So I originally printed and painted in this room and started running out of room. So I moved my paint studio to a guest bedroom upstairs and printed everything down here. Well, my mother-in-law came to stay with us, and now I have to consolidate everything and move back. Let's just say that I got a little comfortable. I started by taking out all the old furniture that I've been painting on since I was 14 and putting it out on the curb to make room for my IKEA furniture. I have the standard YouTube specials that serve pretty well so far. Then I got rid of projects that I printed and never intended to paint that just took up room. I built some shelves out of scrap wood that I used to build my barbershop, put on some paint, and organized everything along with my broken elbow. The task was overwhelming, but I pushed on and persevered until the end. So this is where I take all my stuff when I can't get in the trash. This is where all your paint supplies go when you ain't got room at the house. The results were what I need for now until we purchase our next home and I get a proper art studio. Hey guys, I just did a lot of work to reset my room, and now I'm getting ready to show you what I did. Okay, still got some organizing to do, but my mother-in-law came back in town from El Salvador, and I had to move back downstairs to my 3D print room and bring all my paint supplies and all my camera equipment back in here. And here we are. I just finished cleaning all my airbrushes. They were gunked up, and he's getting printed soon. Got my Sony up there. I'll be able to switch back and forth between this station and this station now. I've moved my other printers out of here. I even took some to the trash dump, and I just work with these four in here now. Just old projects that still need to be done. I'll be working this station to make sure all my prints are cured, and then clean over here where this station is. Still organizing, but it was a big job, and there was a lot to take to the landfill. So I'm back. There's your man. Some old art that I've done. Station of my YouTube channel. Station, like I'm live. All right. These are my other projects I gotta do, and other wall art, and my two computers. That is one I built, and then that's the one that I do my 3D print on. And yeah, so I'm gonna keep continuing to work this place and get it up to par, but I'm happy with my workstation, and I even got my little massage foot stand right there for when I'm down here painting, getting things done, and need to relax a little bit. Okay, so I'll go over what I have here. Like I stated before, this is the computer that I built in December. a Frankenstein. The case was new. I got some of the parts off of Facebook Market and some brand new from Best Buy. But she's pretty speedy for what it is. She's got two 32 gigabyte memory cards in there. So I got a 2070 video card by gigabyte. The motherboard is a gigabyte also, and I have just I just have an i5 processor that came with the board that I got from the guy from Facebook Market. I got this motherboard for $100. I originally bought the first motherboard for about $225. So I think I got a win here. The next one down here is just an Amazon special that I got. Facebook Market. It was like $200, and it is my workhorse for 3D printing. I've kind of retired my old laptop from art school, and as you can see, that is the art school that I went to. All right, enough of that. The monitor I got Facebook Market, which was about $200. This is Samsung, 34-inch wide. I know it's a few years old. I'm gonna replace the webcam up there. It's an HD4. I want a nice one because it's kind of cloudy. And this is the Dell monitor for the one on the floor. This used to be what I used in art school to draw on computers, and it still works. And I have a Dell laptop that does the same thing. So it's kind of pointless having it. I plan on drawing and painting again, so look out for that. So that's why I have my easel here. Over here, I got my Uniformation GK2. They're not plugged in right now. My stuff's been down for 2 weeks because of renovating. But this is my Anycubic Photon M7 Max, and down there is my Cobra, and here is my Elegoo, which is one of my favorite printers because it does what it's supposed to do. Over here is my workstation, still organizing. Don't look at him because I don't believe he's out yet, but I had access to him. My Sony camera, this is Sony ZV-1 Mark II, and it does pretty good with filming and taking pictures. And that is just a like an Amazon special tablet that I use for looking at renders, so I can keep up with the paint scheme that I got. This TV I've had for over 10 years. It's one of the last 3D TVs that Samsung made, and it's even got the webcam up there. And the feature doesn't always work, but you should be able to wave at it and control it with your hand. Pretty cool. Over here, this is my airbrush station. I plan on replacing this or tearing this off and building another larger booth around it, because I hate how low this is. You know, I do a lot of sculptures that are quarter scale, and it's kind of hard to get some of these pieces painted in here. So the plan is to build this up and do something better about my no window, because upstairs I had a window to vent out of. So now I got to get the solution. And I don't thank you, but I don't need suggestions. I already have the plan, and there's plenty of plans out there via Amazon and Lowe's. So I got it, and I watched a ton of videos, and I've come to the one that I want. But yeah, I'm gonna get some polystyrene and rebuild that. Maybe I'll make a video of it. But yeah, I still have this Painter's Fortress. I'm thinking about taking this outside and just spraying it down with some gray or white paint and adding some paint features to it. just to spruce it up. It's got a lot of dust over the last 2 years. 3D printed my paint marker stand and a couple brush stands and that stand for my colors for Pro Acryl. But yeah, this is it. The stands here I got from Newer, and this is a Ulanzi lights. All these are Ulanzi lights. So this is a Target special, but you see how bright it is, so it works. I got this one Ulanzi. It works. It gets down. But I built this stand, you see, out of PVC pipes and some legs from Lowe's, and I'll use that back one as a backdrop to diffuse some of the light in here. But yeah, the other stuff in here is just shells that you got from Lowe's. This one I built out of regular legs and boards and old IKEA legs. And this one, I built that one also. But yeah, this is it. So hopefully you guys get a lot of entertainment out of this room for me as far as creativity. And look forward to sending something out soon. All right. I see that you guys are starting to watch my videos more. Now, if you'd like to help me, try hitting that sub and like button. Thank you to my Patreons and friends who support my channel. And until next time, troops, Sarge out. Peace.